Finally got the battery cheater in. That took forever. So now we slap the stock battery right in there. And then I've got this flight battery that's going to hook into here. It'll be on top. And this gets taped to here, like so. It'll be like that. A little bit hefty. See how it works. Okay, so this is all set up. Velcro here. And I've got Velcro here, so this is going to go like so. And then this plugs into here. I'll probably have a strap on this somehow, because that looks too loose. So that's what it's going to look like. So that's what it's going to look like here. A little bit heavy. Maybe with this I'll put the 3-bladed props on because it gives you better thrust for lifting. And I got to strap this thing down. That's it. Okay, so I've got everything plugged in. So let's check battery info. So now it is fired up. That's on. The drone is on. And this is fully charged. But I think I'm going to put the 3-bladed props on for better lift. Let's see what happens if I spin her up. Go. Go. Looks good. Okay, so I slapped the 3-bladed props on. Fired it up again. So with this thing, I fire up the controller, push this, let them connect, make sure this is on, and then you plug this in. And, well, that's what the instructions said anyway, so I'm just going to spin up the props.
Take off.
Looks good. No wobble, no nothing. And yes, I still got to strap those down. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. That's it. That's it.